What's up guys, Jesse here to review the OmniShaver. Huge shout out to John for sending this product my way. It's absolutely amazing, by far the best head shaving tool that I've used to date. As you can see here, it has two sets of razors going in either direction so that you can go both with and against the grain of the hair. Also, it floats around, which helps to adjust to all the different angles of your head. So I have about 3-4 days worth of hair growth. Some of the guys out there who have reviewed this product have really gotten the technique down to a T. They're super efficient, get their head shaved super quick. I may be a little bit inefficient and clumsy, but I'm going to do my best here. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. There you have it. The OmniShave, absolutely amazing. Based on the research that I've done and the experience that I have had with shaving my head, I don't think there's a better tool out there. Thanks again. Peace.